Hello. So we're gonna be organizing my fidgets. Sorry, my phone's charging. Stop! Okay, so first things you gotta do is take out all the fidgets. Cat needle. Glow and dark and gel. DIY roller. This will be shown last. Cause that is Jumbo Tangle. Gummy. Squishy bear. From Five Below, that's eyes already is coming off. But yeah. Pop It from Amazon. I believe I fidget traded it, so pretty sure it's from Amazon though. Cause like I need my water, but first, get up. First water. Dehydrated kids. I know I'm a child, but still. Next up, this Pop It from Target is so good. I would never fidget trade it. Dimple Digits coming soon. I love this. I love the smell of squishies. Don't judge me. This from Five Below for $1. Wait. Swirly needle. Pose ball. Play-Doh slime cloud. Ooh. A magic star. All the fidgets in there, I think. Now time to get in here. That's not all my fidgets in general. I still have like monkey needles from the bin. Oh, from that bin. These monkey needles, my water timer, DIY fidgets. Yeah, let's get into the things that are in here. Yeah. Orbitious ball. Spot ball. Monkey needles. Colors, you'll see why. Tangles. Tangle. ASMR bar. Spike balls. One mochi. And then mochis that I can color. More. And more. Yeah, that's all. Those are all my fidgets. But I'm currently getting a Dimple Digits. I'll show you the mochis. There's this circle that I'm currently coloring. This pumpkin that I colored. Okay, we don't have time for this. But like, bro. Now we're gonna take out all the bins. Oh, I forgot about these. I still have some fidgets. My magnet rings are the best fidget. Wait. I'm gonna do a little life hack that I kind of made up. Well, I'm charging my phone. Sorry guys, I don't think this will work, but my magnet rings. Now we have to take out all the bins. These foam beads have been in use for. See, I can't open this bin a lot unless I'm over where a vacuum is. So, bin. I'll put this in the bottom bin. And then on the other bin that's currently falling over, Okay, now close that bin. Now. Whoop. So yeah, we're going to show you my fidgets right now. So I don't call slime really a fidget. People might not call slime a fidget, but I do. Because like slime's good. I gotta open up the gate. Instead of hurting your fingers, people don't recognize this, but there is a key on the back. The bottom I actually do. It's like this, but still. There's a key on the back. Grab it. This might take a... Instead of getting it open like that, be a nice person and open the chest. Like a normal human being would. Like I'm doing it now. Done. Open. And now there's things to dig in, like sand. This, I think, was a couple of weeks ago when I was very passionate about making stress balls. Still am. Still currently. Okay. We have this stress ball. I mean, not a stress ball. This slime. There's nothing really special about it. But there are those pom-poms in there. This is Nickelodeon slime. So it obviously does stick to you a little more than other slimes would. Next thing. This is another kinetic sand. It's so good. I actually in total have a couple slimes. These aren't all I have. But I have this slime that is in fact very clear that we're going to show you this today. It has like a blue tint to it, but it's overall clear. People are like, well, it's overall blue. And if I stretch it, I can see right through it. You only see like it is sticking to me. Don't know why I said ooey because it got in between my fingers, and that's disgusting if you know what I mean. Okay, enough playing with the fidgets. We need to actually organize them, but we gotta show you how good this slime is first. Like this slime is currently so good. Like so good. So good. Then I'm not even gonna tell you how it is. This is a very nice fidget. It's very beloved in my family. Like, yeah. We gotta start organizing these fidgets. There's a couple categories. There's a section called Create Your Own. It's very easy. So basically, that's where all these go. The mochis. At least that's what I call them. You guys call them whatever you want. But I call them mochis. Come back for a video when I do some things with my mochis and my mochis. I can't wait to color this hippo. Oh, tangles are very beloved too in this family. No, my whole family loves all my fidgets. No, literally. I love the poppets. Okay, that's besides the point. Slimes will go in here with also a very different fidgets in there too. Not just slimes. Well, slimes are amazing too, but like, not just them. Some stress balls, because I don't have a lot of stress balls. I am currently having my fidget collection. It keeps growing. You can guys say, I bet you have more fidgets than me. Yeah, you're probably right. Mine just keeps growing. I don't know what category this basically goes in. Putty. There are some fidgets that aren't that good. I'm not gonna rate them today because you don't always have time to. Okay, now we're gonna grab a trash that I made from last night. So poppets. There. We're gonna give our monkey noodles a chance maybe. I'm gonna put all the monkey noodles down there. We're gonna put a lot of little fidgets. Snakes. Richie's going here. Also, so does my tiny tumblers. Go in there, but we're gonna put them besides the poppets instead. My fidgets can barely fit in the bin I put them in. So now we're gonna put them in the bin today. Like in the bin. Like this bin, like the bin. So yeah. First step is putting the big one here in the front because this is the fidgets I normally reach for because they're my favorites. Not all of them I do, but most of them. A lot of the stress balls are going for lunch. Let me get some fidgets real quick. So why is the middle open? You'll see in a couple minutes. These fidgets will all end up going in there. So I'm going to do that because these are one of my favorites. I know a lot of the favorites go in the middle because I grab them more often than a lot of other fidgets. I'm going to keep this out. So yeah, tour of the fidget bin will start in the next video, sorry.